Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. This time I'm reacting to Quad Gmo Uploader. And if I mispronounced the name of this channel, I apologize. I'm sorry to the owner of this channel, and I'm sorry to everybody else too. In this video, ReUpload, Angry Grandpa, Chainsaw Massacre Wake Up Prank. I'm sure a lot of people here have already seen it, but I'm going to react to it anyway, and someone asked me to react to this, and I'm going to react to it. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize, and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Michael thinks this trying to prank me. Always pranking me. Well, guess what? We will wake Michael up early. Let's go. You still upstairs?
Yeah. Is the chain off?
Yeah, the damn chain's off.
All right.
I ain't gonna kill him. Oh, he's sleeping like a baby.
Yeah.
Let's wake up a baby. Hang on. Trying to be blind. Let's hope it cranks. No, you broke the bed! No, you hobbled up! I gotta get up! I can need a bed.
Oh my god.
I love you, but I can't.
Oh my god!
You go over there and break me. Michael, you broke your headboard, buddy. Wake me up with a chainsaw, dude! Hey, what's wrong with that? Got your ass kicked out, boy!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
We'll go hop on by. Now go, big boy. Your baby train's up here on you. Oh my god, you broke it! Oh god. Oh my god, Michael.
Dude, just stop.
Dude. Fine. You got me. I'm going home.
Bye,
You ain't
Grandpa.
gonna order me out. I'm leaving on my own.
Thanks, Grandpa.
Thank you, Bridget. Michael, Jason gonna get you. Jason gonna get you. Run. I do run. I do run. Thanks for the chainsaw. I'm going there. Proud peacock. Bye, Michael. Bye, Bridget.
Michael, you took the blade off.
Well, I realized that.
Like...
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or Quad Gmo Uploader's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 6,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. on both my main channel and my second channel. Give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya. Oh, and if I mispronounced the name of this channel, once again, I apologize. I'm sorry to the owner of this channel, and I'm sorry to everybody else, too. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.